This is Workshop Wednesday. Is it Wednesday? I think it's Wednesday. Anyway, we're trying to get back to that, so I want to give you guys a little peek at what we've been doing. I'm super excited. I'm in the Hall of Fame. Some of you guys might know it, some of you might not. Sturgis Hall of Fame, which is pretty cool. There's some pretty big names in there. I'm just going to mention one, Evel Knievel. But anyway, back to this. So we're building this bike for the Hall of Fame Museum in Sturgis. Pretty awesome. I'm going to let Ben pan around on it. I'm going to have it done way before Sturgis, I hope. But all the engraving, and it's an old Evo. We're doing a dirty tail. We're doing kind of a mix of a Cholo, Gringo, I don't know how you want to say it, look. But there's a lot of engraving on the bike. But go ahead and get off my ugly ass and show them around the bike. The paint job's going to blow you away. Steve-O's painting it. But I've been just nitpicking at it a little bit. We're waiting for that little piece for the open belt drive. Show them the shifter handle I made. The bike's suicide shift, no front brake. I'm thinking about calling it the death trap. But I took a Hurst handle and bent it up and welded it to the transmission piece, and then had it chromed. I might do a different ball here. But the neck's already been cut. Sideshow cut the neck for us. Got to give him a little props. Show him the table. Metro Plating did the plating for us. I'm going to go grab one of the wheels. No front brake, like I said. Here's the front wheel. It's a little dusty. I don't think it's going to get much use in the museum, but it's got to look good. Give you a better idea. Next Wednesday we'll come in and do the same thing. I got the graffiti bike we're doing, Rob's bike back there. Got plenty of content. Maybe we should do workshop Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Anyway, peace out.